by the endless void. I can't.
It's over. Well, half of it. We still have to return, of course.
That was humiliating. I should have been stronger.
Think nothing of it. I've yet to see anyone come through unaffected.
The pain. It felt like my body was being torn apart. But where are we?
One of the pocket realms our forebearers created. Safe places to summon challenges, to grow stronger. We can die here, but nothing summoned can escape.
Interesting.
For now, let us see how your training has prepared you. We'll conjure an illusion from a lowly warrior of the enemy army that plagues this island.
All right. Let's begin. Not this again.
Then let's get it over with.
This is just horrible.
So, you survived your first transition. Congratulations! A few more of those, and you might even earn the right to call yourself a Watcher someday. Though I should warn you, the crossing never becomes anything like that. Now come.